In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set an image as a background in Canva. We'll walk through this process step by step so you can confidently turn any photo or graphic into a full-page background for your design. This is a simple feature, but it can completely transform the look and feel of your project. First, make sure you're inside a Canva design. This could be anything: a presentation slide, a social media post, a poster, or any other format. Once your blank or existing design is open, look for the image you want to use. You can either upload your own picture from your computer or choose one from Canva's built-in library on the left-hand side. Take a moment to pick an image that really fits the mood or message of your design, because the background sets the tone for everything else you add on top. When you've found the image you want, click it once so it appears on your page. If it's not already on the canvas, just click or drag it into the design area. You should now see the image sitting somewhere inside your layout, probably not yet filling the whole page. Next, move your mouse over that image and right-click on it. This will open a small menu with several options. Take a second to look at this menu because it contains a lot of helpful tools, but for now we're focusing on just one. From that menu, click on the option that says Set Image as Background, or Set as Background, depending on what you see. As soon as you click this, Canva will automatically resize and position your image so that it covers the entire page. You don't need to manually stretch it to the edges. Canva takes care of that for you. At this point, your image is now your background. You can layer text, shapes, icons, and other elements on top without accidentally moving the background around. If you want to adjust how it looks, you can click on the background and use the toolbar at the top to change the brightness, contrast, blur, or apply filters. This is especially helpful if you need your text to stand out more. Slightly dimming or blurring the background can make your titles and captions easier to read. If you change your mind, you can always replace the background by repeating the same steps with a different image. Just select a new one, right-click, and set it as the background again. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully learned how to set an image as a background in Canva, giving your designs a clean, professional foundation to build on.